Hello, welcome to PCB Breakdown. You must like and subscribe to me if you are new to my channel. In today's video we will see the Palit GTX 1050 Ti. Here we have the core, which is a GP107 chip. This are the VRAMs or the memory chip. The chip used in here is D9TRZ from Micron. We have 4 VRAM chips. This is 1 GB per chip for total of 4 GB memory. This is the display port, the HDMI port, and the DVI port. This circuit is for the memory. It is supplying the 4 memory chips. This circuit is for the core. This card uses only 2 phases for the core. The core phases is using 1 upper MOSFET and 2 lower MOSFET. This coil is for the 1.8 volts. This are the 5 volts regulators. The memory producer 1.5 volts. The core producer 0.9 millivolts. As you can see, this pad is empty, because it doesn't need an extra power supply. Now let's go at the back PCB. This circuit is the back of VRAM. This is the BIOS chip. This terminal is for the VRAM coil. And this terminal are for the core phases. This is the PWM IC for the core. This is the driver IC for the fan. This is the driver IC for the PEX. And this is the driver IC for the memory. This is all for now. I will upload more soon.